Good evening, everyone here. We are formally inviting you all for the annual General Body meeting. I am Dr. Vinci Ashok Tribhuwan, National Secretary. Would like to take this moment to convey my gratefulness for having me in the office for 3 years as we are handing over our responsibilities to the new officials. Bali, you to come so that let them see who will be the new secretary. Officially, okay, later, yeah, we will be announcing. So thank you so much, everyone. And let us start formally the program. I request Madam President, Captain Ajita Nair, to come forward. Madina, come. If you have to talk. You are very good evening, all of you. Are you all tired? No, I like that spirit of shine saying no. Ha. So we will have, after the general body meeting, we will have some lots of enjoyment. What is that I'm not saying now? What do you want me to say? Surprise. Okay. So it is in the other hall. So that hall is getting ready for the DJ. That is why we are here. Okay. Okay. So, so we are at the annual general body meeting. Okay. So in annual general body meeting, I'll just explain what the year had been since our last annual general body meeting. And what is the way forward. So this is what I am going to talk. And there are some zonal reports and treasurer's report and all that also after this. So how many of you are so far happy with Annie? Raise your hands. Happy? So everybody's hand is up. So that I know I did not ask happy with the conference. I am asking happy with. I know you all are happy with the conference. That I am 100% sure. I am telling happy with Annie. So if you say that you are happy with Annie, I am asking a question. Why there is less participation in Annie activities? If you are happy, you will come forward for Annie activities. Yes or no? Stand it fall. So, so my sincere request to all of you is that participating in Annie activities will develop yourself, whichever level you are. Even if you are a CNO, even if you have 30 years experience. I said 30 because I have little more than that. So, however old you are, however young you are, participating in any activities will give you that adrenaline boost, let me tell you. Our job is, all of you will agree, it is so very tiresome, thankless, never ending, complaints, patience, management, your seniors. And there is no end to it. Okay. So, in all this rigmarole of our everydayness of this boring, otherwise boring life, something like Annie gives you a lot of purpose in your being a nurse. One. Two is that it is a meaningful engagement, which means that every activity in Annie is planned keeping you in mind, not for anything else. Okay, and we have increased the activities. You might be seeing in the Annie WhatsApp group that there is too much of information. I know that half of you don't read the messages only. Even I don't read all the messages. I must confess that. So, my sincere request to all of you is that why are we doing all these things is to develop you. Our long-term strategy is to, I was just making the press release. So I was, writing one sentence out of it. One of our objective of being there is to develop our status. I hope you understand the word meaning of status. I'm sure all of you know. Equal to that of Western world, where our counterpart doctors, maybe management people, maybe those quality people, whoever, look at us as equivalent to them and not somebody just being ordered around. That is what is status, right? You decide for yourself. You have autonomy. So our objective is to reach that level. Somebody has to work hard for that. It is not that in Western countries somebody has given it or thrown it on their lap. No, they have worked hard for earning it. So ANI is a platform for collectively working for earning that status. You get my point? And we want our, at least if you have crossed half of your service, you want the nurses today joining for nursing reach that status when they are 10 years service. I mean, it takes time. It takes a lot of commitment from our side. Commitment in terms of preparing them, making ourselves capable of that. So there's a lot of work to be done on ourselves, preparing ourselves. Okay, if I am telling from my experience that if I am CEO of a hospital today, I have to confront, the consultants, the management, the super management, and so on and so forth. So from where that courage comes, from where that confidence comes, from where that has to be there in your mind. So it is not originated, when I studied nursing. No, it's not. So it is the learnings from the environment. And in ANI, we are creating such an environment where you will make your mark in your organization. So if you feel that you are pushed down or, you've been used as a carpet to walk around or a punch bag, which means that you do not have the status what you deserve. Obviously, it is that, which includes salary also. I don't mind saying that. So to get better, we always, we are sort of conditioned to beg and borrow and complain. Our grumbling will never stop, actually, isn't it? Everybody keep complaining, grumbling that nobody minds us or they don't respect us or they walk over us and things like that. So stop that. And there is a lot of things we have to do to convince them. So it is not that you'll convince one person. I'm not talking about that. But the co-professional bodies, the management, and for that, you have to prove the contribution. The longi work will not help in that. If I may say very crudely, everybody, yes, sir, yes, sir, yes, sir, and that is not going to end. Okay, so I'm not saying that where it has to be. So we have to develop that understanding and insight as to where to say yes and where to say no and where to play it diplomatically. If we develop that insight, then you will have confidence. And that knowledge, it is based on scientific principles as well as your experience. But if all of us seniors say that, hey, you reach our age and then you will gain experience, one life is not enough to experience everything in life and learn lessons out of your own experience. Then you may have to have so many lives that we don't have. So then what is the next solution is share our experience. Collectively together, the people sitting here, you see the years of experience. I'm sure it is over 1,000 years. I'm sure, maybe many thousand, isn't it? The collective experience of people here means that is dearth of, the knowledge, the wisdom. It doesn't come automatically. So you have to earn it, gain it, and learn from others' experience. So ANI gives you the appropriate platform for that. So if you stay behind is feeling lazy, feeling disconnected, feeling, I'm going to use a harsh word, indifferent. The worst harshest word is being indifferent. Okay, you can be angry, you can be happy, or anything, but the worst thing is not having any feel. So if many of the members have that feeling towards whatever is happening in ANI, only 20% of the ANI members are active. Rest of the people are on the wall, or bekre tamasha. So, you have to shed that out. I don't know how many people are sitting here. Maybe simple somebody can just count the head. Just I know how many people have registered, but I want to know how many people are sitting here. Okay, so just stand up and do a head count. So then I will have an idea how many ANI members are here. So every ANI member should have an annual plan of attending this conference. Then only you will get benefit out of whatever hard work we do. To give you this experience only we work hard, no, isn't it? And you ask yourself, what is your contribution? Your contribution is there, definitely. That's why you're sitting here, of taking the pain, spending money. I know a lot of money is spent by a lot of people to come here. A lot of money. I don't know. How much money you spend, Majalla madam, to come here and stay and go back? Approximate 30,000. She's coming from Kerala and she has spent 30,000. And same with you? Yes. So, and I don't know, somebody from Calcutta, Waba ma'am, how much you spend? She has a lot of money. So not able to tell spontaneously. Now, anybody else from Calcutta here? There's so many people. Yeah, tell me. How much would be? 30,000. So somebody from farthermost corners have spent 30, 40, 40. So that is a huge money. I am sure it is equivalent to many of your 1 month salary or maybe more than that. I am aware of. Okay. So I am incredibly thankful to all of you. I bow my head in front of you for just coming here, because that gives us a lot of confidence in the future of Annie. So thank you so very much for attending this conference. 240. Okay. I'm happy about the number. 240 members are here is a huge confidence for me. Big clap for yourself. That's a huge number. Okay, but how many is our total strength? 1,800. Okay. So you see the percentage. So 2-3 objectives for you is: one, make more members. Now you may think, I am member for 4 years. What is my benefit? If you feel like that, who to be blamed? Don't blame me. So you blame yourself, because you are indifferent. If you are indifferent, you will not gain anything out of this. I tell you, you wasted 3,000 rupees by spending for membership. Okay, so there are some people who have found the fun in being in Annie active. Okay, or the benefit of it. Fun. Okay, I used a lighter word. So fun is some sense of fulfillment for me. Fun is not that real fun type thing, no. But you have participated in activity. At the end of it, you feel contented that I have gained enough knowledge for the time spent. Example is this conference. Okay, so at the end of the conference, if you feel, oh, what a stupid boring conference, I wasted a lot of money, then you rate the conference low, correct? Or you feel, wow, what a big nice conference, I felt very nice meeting people, talking to people. I made what many friends. I have somebody to reach out to if I am in a professional struggle. So these kind of things is what make you grow. Okay, so we have a lot of plans. Actually, my brain is full of plans, but I want people to execute it. Is it possible for me alone to, alone means I include the people sitting in front, the executive committee, and the people who work on a daily basis for Annie. It's not possible to increase the number of activities without having more active people. And we have who is who of nursing in the country sitting here in this room now. So I am asking people in power, people in positions, to ask yourself that what have you done for Annie? And also the younger ones who have 1 year, 2 year, 3 year, 10 year experience, to ask yourself that can you do more? Can you do more is not you do literally something, but engage yourself in any activities. Suggest what more we can do for you. Okay, so let me stop moral lecture. Come to the point. So what is in future for? So the last year had been very fulfilling. Few of you had been there for the last DC meeting. We are now close to 1,800 paid members, and we have been through so many activities last year. Those who literally follow, why did I make that a WhatsApp group and put all the information over there, is for you to know. So stop being indifferent. But now since the number has increased, this managing WhatsApp group is becoming a liability for me. You can imagine. And anybody is willing to be administrator, I am happy to give that responsibility. But simply being administrator there doesn't make any sense. So we have found a way to handle this member management or engagement issues. So we will soon be, be using a app. I will announce it. So you have to download the app and do the instructions so that we will all be the same like WhatsApp, or I can't say WhatsApp, more functions in that. Not like Facebook, but it's a private group. And any number can be accommodated in that, so that one information it reaches everybody. I think there is a chat forum as well. You can communicate and we can be more connected, and a lot of activities, all these training programs, all can be coordinated from that. Payment, everything can be done through that. Okay, so we'll be. I have to focus on that to engage, and then once I am confident, only I'll open it to you. So that I hope to make it happen in another 2 to 3 months. The time is a problem because I have a hospital to manage also at the same time who pay me salary. Okay, it's not that Annie is paying me. So I have to be doing justice to the job as well. So because of that. So but anyways, and so all of us who is sitting in the front row who are with me managing Annie, the executive committee members, the founder members and the officials. So every one of us does our job, and the time we spend is additional time, which is compromising our personal time, actually speaking. So that is how it had been running. But for the passion of the organization. Okay, so what is in future for us is that we are planning to launch. Not planning, already have done, but many participation I did not see. Maybe it would have been drowned in the flood of information which was happening in past 2 months. So we are going to be actively engaging and involving in education, online and in-person education across the country. So for this, you all are coming from various parts of the country. So my dream is to make Annie members in every district of the organization. Earlier the better. So in next 1 year, next year when we will meet, that's my dream. So I need your help. So if you are in one particular district, so say Rajini Madam is from Nagpur. Okay, say that. Okay, so Nagpur district around how many districts? Maybe say suppose 4. The Rajini Madam should reach out to them, no? Some nurse there, pestered them to become Annie member, things like that. You understood, none the role. So Rajini Madam, I took an example. So each one of you, okay, so I will look forward to your active participation in engaging with fellow nurses who have not heard of Annie, who have not got the benefit of being an Annie member. So you have to entice them to be member, okay? So when we meet next year, this time we should be having at least members from all districts of the country. How many districts are there? I don't know. Somebody can Google and tell me. I don't know. When I was studying GK, it was 428. I still have that figure in my mind, but I'm sure it's not 420. 600 something it is, if I am not. So I'm talking about as a 10th class student. It was 800. Okay, so it was doubled. So I was in 10th class in 1985. So we studied GK for scholarship examination. So 428, that number is there in my mind. Anyways, it's 800 plus. So 800, no? Yes, 800 districts in this country has Annie members. So that would be our immediate target in coming year. Okay, so if all of you sitting here will work for it, it is possible. Do you think it is possible? It is very much possible. It's nothing impossible. Okay, so one is that, and by the time our membership should be doubled, 1,800, at least it should become 3,000, another 1,000. That is all possible. So strength of an organization is, as I believe, is in its numbers. This I have been telling for past 3 years since I had been president. And you all have given me the confidence, or the executive committee has chosen me for another tenure of 3 years. So that means you all had confidence in me. I am thankful and grateful for the trust which they have bestowed on me. Despite if you think happily I have agreed for this, no, not really, no. Why you are asking? If I am asking you to spend 3 to 4 hours every day, 365 days, will you be? Then you will think 10 times, should I do this? That's the reason. Okay, so I had been doing it for so many years. So definitely there is a lot of, your personal investment is there in this organization. That's what I mean to say. And not only me, Tangam ma'am, and many of the people sitting in the front row, it's not only me. No organization can be there with one person. Not at all. So it is a collective effort. And the growth of the organization, both in strength, in numbers, and its activities, and the benefits thereby to the members. And I'm not limiting the members, benefit to the members. A larger purpose is to reach out to the population, the general public, their healthcare, right? So it is reaching out to them. They have to understand, accept that our status is equivalent to a doctor, or maybe better than that, isn't it? So we have to reach out to them. So our purpose is not to just work on another nurse, no, but reaching out to the larger community. So we already have a lot of engagement programs and collaterals. I mean, the collaboration with so many organizations, and we will think of more. So I heartily welcome all your suggestions. Reach out to me, reach out to the executive committee, that what more you can do. Take charge of the place where you're working. Do activities in the name of, and in your hospital. Everybody can do that. You don't have to be a nursing superintendent for doing this. You can be a staff nurse also. Then test with your boss with ideas, with proposals, but then you have to work for it. It's not that she will do it for you. No, you have to do it. Okay, and I can challenge you, if you do 4 or 5 programs, you cannot stop it. Because then you will start enjoying connecting with people, with meaningful activities, and it starts up impacting you and the people around you positively. And that gives you such an adrenaline surge, which makes me work this 2, 3, 4 hours every day. You understand from where it comes? It comes from the energy you draw from people around you. You understand why politicians are always outside their home and hardly inside? It's because of this, because they've got this, it gives you a kick, So it is, you understand what it is, right? So, no, not the other kick, what do you mean? No, that is not. the endorphins which it will release. Okay, let me put it that way. And so once you learn that, then there is no stopping of fun. Till now, some of you are sitting and watching, ye ho gaya rahe, lacha, ye mere liye kuch milega kya. So that is what is many of you are thinking. But yes, it is for yourself. It is not for somebody. You're not doing a favor. Or maybe you're doing a favor to yourself, because you have to develop, right? You have to develop, a lot of things are there. Now, if you're very happy with the status quo, then there is no much scope. Let me tell you that too. If you are happy with your status quo, there are many people, I don't blame them. I actually envy them, that somebody is very happy with the status quo. I will learn from you. I am willing to spend time with you to learn how you are happy with your status quo, actually, seriously. So if you are not, then there is lots of things to do. Yes. So one is this. You understood what I mean? You are any member, you go to your nursing head and demand that I want to do this program in the name of Annie. There is somebody, अगर वो member नहीं है तो उनको बोलो आप member बन जाओ. You know कि pester, I know अपने leave के लिए कितना pester करता है नहीं? कैसे भी तो you convince करके लेते हो ना? So like that. So that is one, increasing any visibility and activities in your organization. Number 2 is, this is centrally we will devise something. This is my wish to have more welfare programs. More welfare, stands for its members. So members welfare, what all we can do, we will actively think about and engage you in. But for all this, participation is required. When we devise something, there is no takers, there is no point in that. So welfare programs we will plan in this coming year. Like say one example of welfare program. So how many of you are nursing heads in this group? So raise your hands. The heads of nursing department. So many of them. So haven't you thought of any time in your life that it has a terrible problem, or if I had somebody I can confide and at least share or get some suggestion? I am sure all of us, including me, have gone through that. Some tough situation which you can't tell anybody, and you don't know how to handle, and somehow time will pass, and time will find some solution. And all of us face these kind of situations which you have not faced any time in your life, and or you might have faced, but then last time kaise bhi to manage kar liya, is baar nahi ho rahe. So things like that. So we're planning for some time now to have something where you can reach out to anonymously also. It is not that you have to reveal yourself, and so some more experienced people, or somebody who is experienced enough but detached from that situation, so that when you're confused you can't take any decisions. I was in such a state today, so you may not have seen me in the hall much, because I can't tell you how confused I am today. Seriously, I may not look now like that, because when I talk to you, I am detached from that. But then you go through professional situations where you're sort of stuck, or it is difficult to go through. Okay, so you have to face it. There is no other way. But all organizations go through such things, or all individuals go through that. So maybe somebody else may have a better solution who is little bit detached from that. So likewise, I mean, we will have something like this, monthly you can air, others can hear anonymously. These all, these kind of things. So these all are plans inside my head. So we are going to have somebody, in the central thing, who will coordinate all these things. So if I may please invite Miss Sini and Colonel Reena Menon here, just to introduce them to these two ladies. Will be they are working closely at the Ali Secretariat. They have agreed. So you can say it. I mean, some of you understood how they would have agreed. Okay, so some of you who work with me knows how I work my plan. So I'm yelling in front of them. Okay, so Madam Reena Menon, actually, I can say my teacher also, my senior colleague from Armed Forces, and she is retired from St. John's Medical College as its College of Nursing principal. And Sini, most of you know here. Sini Siju is, she has been nursing director of Reliance Hospital. Mumbai people know her very closely. So she has taken a break from her career because she has a baby daughter, and also doing her PhD. So thank you, Durga, for suggesting her name, and I have somehow hooked there. Okay. Now I can tell confidently, because they have been hearing me for some time, and I sort of wrapped these two people, okay, because they have sort of become my punchbacks also, in the sense, because they both are sitting at home and doing their activities. They are missing nursing probably. This is my reading, okay. I am taking the liberty of saying what was in their mind. They were not a thought of it. I am just telling this. So how to connect back to sitting at home because of various things. Madam is retired, okay. So it is something they have understood the fun of being involved in this, okay. So now they will be able to withstand what I am going to give them. So I had to prepare them for a long time. Elizabeth, most welcome. She's laughing. Acha bhi inka chance hai. I won't take that much of a thing, but no, not really. So they will be leading the education initiative. 1, 2, they'll be helping us to run the secretariat, because many of you, I mean, if any ANI member calls me or inform me, I have reached out to everybody. One exception was there, of course, but otherwise, all your needs related to membership management, I had been doing it for so many years now. So, but then now the membership has increased, and probably you're not getting the answer. And I am also getting older, so forgetfulness and lot of work pressure, and maybe the pressure. No, Belinda doesn't agree. Looks are deceptive sometimes, let me tell you that. So don't go by the looks. So I told you, I am one of my most confused state today, but I don't appear to be. So that is the success of any leader, right? Apna confusion kisi ko dikhana nahi hai. So I am telling you that example. Yeah, sure. So this is what we are going to do in this coming year. So you will have flood of programs coming from us. So participate in that. Some of them will be free, some of them will be paid. So you want me to speak something? Go. Okay. Fine. Okay. So we will share the secretariat contact number and all that, not the personal. So we will establish a secretariat. All that is ready. I mean, for a long time. But then somehow I could not find people who are who have the vibe, of meeting, and also senior enough, intelligent enough. Youngsters, I tried so many people, but then commitment level of younger people, 1 year, 2 year, 5 year, आज है तो है, नहीं है तो नहीं है, अच्छा कल तो नहीं, I am not interested. So this type. So I am wasted a lot of my energy on that so far. So, but then I was, successful at this time, probably. This had been in the making for a long time. So that has happened. So I will slowly hand over those kind of things of the secretariat to them. And we will employ somebody. I'm not going to make them clerks. So we will employ also somebody. So this is the future plan. So that a lot of things. So probably the activities, what is happening, you might have heard in the morning conference. We have discussed many of them. And by now you would have been, if you did not know, a lot of activities, you would have got an idea. So those activities in this coming financial year, we will double it, the number of activities. And it is not that I will double the activities. I will make you do the activities. Okay. So buck up the chapter heads and officials. Okay. So through them, it will be, because we have a Kotak governance structure now. We have zones, we have officials in all zones, and we have chapter officials. And the structure is complete now. So now we have to put the plan of action in place. And you need to feel them. You need to hear them and increase the activity. So this is what is going to happen. Okay. So and find the enjoyment of getting connected with not only our fellow nurses, but the but the doctors, the management, the quality people, maybe the pharmacists, name anybody who gives patient care, and also the general public. Okay. So that is fun if you are able to establish that connection. Some of you already do that. Those who are not, we need to increase your activities, improve your activities. Okay. So that is what 2 things which I wanted to let you know. And rest of things will come on your way anyways. So I would now conclude what I am saying, and I would invite Vincy, Dr. Vincy, to give, you're going to give zonal report. So a brief zonal reports, we will take not much time, and then the financial report from the treasurer, Dr. Aji KL. And I would like to take this opportunity to sincerely thank my fellow officials, Dr. Vincy, Dr. Unmana, and Dr. Aji. Can you get up and come here, please? I will not get up now again. Means Aji is here around. Aji, please come. You can increase the new. So I am sure all of you know everybody, right? So now we will have another set of officials with me. So I would invite them also. Please come. Harita Vijayan, Dolly Biswas, and where is? I am looking for her. Yes. And दुर्गा भाई इधर पिक्चर ही पिक्चर चल रहा है ना, ये देखो लाइव पिक्चर चल रहा है इधर. या मे बी आएगा, वो कैमरा एडजस्ट करता है. So it's okay. So these are the new team which I will have. Why? डर लग रहा है तुमको. X and Y बोल रहे. X and Y I believe. अच्छा. That's it. Yeah. This is okay. Okay. So you, I don't, you have seen the announcements, no? This all is announced. So all of you are able to identify. So they are in life, in body, live, standing in front of you. We clap for them also and for them. And for her also. Thank you. You are. So, Paul? वो पार्ट बड़ी करना है. So thank you. So over to Dr. Vincy for taking you through the zonal activities soon, and then the financial report, and with that we'll end. Thank you so much.
Can you take just only 10 seconds? Good evening, everyone. Please remember the journey started in 2017. So the founder members, executive committee members, different people were there. Founder members have been always there. So the credit goes to not to one individual, the entire team. So please give it up to the executive committee members and founder members. Thank you very much. And we must give better farewell to our outgoing officials, Dr. Unmana, Dr. Vincy, and Dr. Aji. All of them seems to be our doctors. So give them a heavy hand because there are heavy weights going. They are just stepping out of the position only, but I am very, very sure they will continue to contribute and support because we are here because we believe in something, correct? So, and the journey will move forward. It has to, otherwise, there is no point in having any, right? It has to move forward. And when I look at many young faces, I am very hopeful. And we are very hopeful. Why I say I is because it was a dream in 2011. Then 2017, we were able to launch under the aegis of AHPI. You should know a little bit of history, that's all. And then from there, we have grown. The officials will change hands. Newer ones will come. So it all depends how the team become a team and try to work together. And we need all of you. I think Ajita told in her own language what is expected. And I tell in my own language, don't ask what Annie can do for you. Ask what you can do for Annie. And with that, one more round of, welcome clap for the new office bearers. You can stand wherever you are. Ek bar aur. They are getting on the hot seat. So we need to clap for them. And tomorrow during valedictory, we have a passing the parcel. No, that is surprise. Tomorrow passing the parcel from one set of officials to the next officials. So looking forward to having all of you during that ceremony. Yeah, thank you. Over to you, MC.
Thank you so much, Captain Ajita and Tangam ma'am. It was so graceful of you to acknowledge us. Thank you so much. We are coming back to our annual reports of Annie. And whatever Madam President had explained, along with that, Annie has gone through a major transformation that is creating journals. So we have got now 4 journals that we will be presenting here. And also we have been, in tremendously increasing the numbers. So we'll just have a look at it along with our financial report. So this is D. These are our founder members. Do visit our website sometime, please. This is the Annie membership status. As Captain Ajita explained, we are paid members are more than 1,800. This is the state-wise distribution. Of course, I think you all can see. Give a round of applause to Maharashtra for having the highest number of Annie members. Team Maharashtra, very proud of you. What can be better recognition having the AnnieCon in Mumbai and having Maharashtra leading the Annie members? Thank you so much. Kerala is not less behind with 220 and followed by Tamil Nadu. So they are the top 3, Maharashtra, Kerala and Tamil Nadu. Yeah. So these are some of the initiatives we have been doing over across the country. So before we journal reports and before we showcase our journal representatives, let us have look at few of the initiatives. Who does not know what is the Empower Hour? I think we all are well versed, right? So all hands are down. Not because it is so much late into the evening, because we all know what is Empower Hour. It is one of Annie's flagship event along with our AnnieCon and Patient Safety Conference. So this year, this was run by our journal representative. It's a 12-month, 12 sessions, which imparts rich knowledge and skill enhancement for our ground level nurses. Thank you so much, all journal presidents who were leading it. Thank you. This is Annie Patient Safety Fellowship. Any fellows all here? Wow. Then I no need to tell what it is meaning. So this is another initiative. We do not have much time to elaborate on that. These are the current fellows. This is safe sessions which are taken by the ANI fellow members. So there were around 12 sessions conducted by them. Or I think this is for 26, yeah. So finishing school, all of us, I think mostly nurse leaders over here, we have got what is the pain point for us? The people, the whole day that our inputs were more on, we are not getting enough trained people. People are so raw when they reach us. We need to have so many number of nurse educators and we need to put so much effort into them. So this was a repeated point which was coming again and again among any meetings and leaders meeting. And this is where this such a beautiful initiative has been taken, where this initiative will bridge the gap between the education and the practice. So before nurses do come to other hospitals, this initiative will focus upon enhancing their competencies. You can just have a look at it. 4 pilots have been conducted. Dr. Reena, who was here as one of the secretariat, I hope you all understand the difference between secretary and secretariat, and she will be leading this program. She has already done much work on that, and this will take a bigger focus in the coming year. Nursing Digest, anyone who has read it? Who has contributed? Yes, Surekha Kadam, who has? So it's a lovely read. It is coming as biannually. Please do contribute. Write your stories. I tell all nurse leaders, just go to your ground and see. Every day there is a brave story. Every day something so beautiful to write about. And who can showcase them better than you? It's you. It has to start with you. Please do contribute to this wonderful platform, showcasing your nursing talents. Any special interest group? Here are various leaders who are leading all these initiatives of ASIC, the simulation, infection prevention, pressure injury prevention. So now we will be presenting the journal report. So among the journals, whoever is here, the officials, along with chapters, please come over here so that the members get to see you. Sometimes they assume, so my state people know me, but it might not be always true. And this is one forum annually we get to showcase you, and we are so proud about it. First comes Dr. Elizabeth Joseph leading the worst zone as president. Where is she? Ma'am, can I have you with your tea? Come on, Durga. Dr. Elizabeth. Anybody else belong in the Birva Palm? Shubhangi, Sheetal, I think they all are busy. So actually West Zone comprises of Gujarat and Maharashtra. You can be here till I go through your report. Sheetal, she's there. So they are the people. This is again Sharmishta, Sopna and Mr. Manoj leading the Gujarat chapter. Give them a round of applause. So let us go through. Why are you so far from me? Can you come but side then? We should be standing as team. Yeah, no problem. Okay, fine. Here come. So for them it is easy to take photos. These are some of the initiatives. So look at the membership jump, what they have done here. Currently, they are at 248. These are some of the initiatives they had done across their zone. These are the pre-conference activities they conducted across both the states. So well done. These are West Zone activities, some other activities which they had been doing. Yamtar hour they had conducted. Some more activities. Gujarat chapter with Sharmishta leading so many activities. And finally, the welcome to you all to this wonderful Anicon 2026, and they have worked very hard. Let us give a round of applause to them. I miss Elizabeth Madam here. Thank you so much, guys. So proud of you all. We go to East Zone. Captain Madhukari leads it. She has just left for the day. Who all are in East Zone? Can you all? So East Zone. So Dolly, as she has become national secretary now, somebody else would be taking her position. Captain Gobo and Anandavarshini. This is their come. Mansi, come this way. You can all come. This is their performance dashboard. Our member. Yeah. So Dolly wants me to tell you they are at 277. Give them a round of applause. Just take the efforts to make one Annie member, and you will say, but how much effort it takes? 277. So it's a great lot of work. Thank you so much, team. These are some of the activities they had conducted. Some beautiful webinars, workshops, clinical programs, Chakisan, Odisha chapter. Saudamini is there? Yeah. Empower and empowers. Enhance. This is a leadership program they had concluded.
This is any Rawat CNE.
Yeah, this is continuous 7 days CNE they have. So this was a continuous 7 days CNE they were done.
This is critical workshop.
Yeah, this was also with overwhelming response they had completed. These are some of the pictures.
This is Beach the Clot. Prevention of venous thrombosis. Recently we have done 20.
Thank you so much. These are their region, part of the journal. Thank you so much, everyone. So it is North Zone. Captain Sandhya is not there. She is the lead of that. Anyone else is there from North Zone? Bhavna is there. Acha, everyone took a break on the right time. Chalo. This is the lead of the North Zone. Delhi chapter officials. No one is there from Delhi North. Correct. Again, this is Uttar Pradesh. They all are comprising of North Zone. This is Punjab. This is Haryana. And this is Uttarakhand. Yeah, yes, ma'am. Please do come. Give her a round of applause. This is Dr. Devinder Kaur, principal. She is for Punjab chapter. So I'm so glad at least you are present in the North Zone, madam. Please do wait here. These are the activities they had done. And whatever they have completed. Members, they need to work a lot on this. These are some of the pictures. Let us miss this slide. Thank you so much, doctor. Thank you. Thank you so much. Here comes our very influential leader, Dr. Jyoti Clara and team, representing the South Zone. Come. So this comprises of Tamil Nadu, Puducherry, Kerala, Karnataka and Andhra Pradesh. And trust me, they all are giants. They have already completed Anicon at Chennai, Anicon at Kerala. So let us not take them very easily. They can achieve anything. Give them a round of applause. Come, Dr. Roslin. So let us see some of their activities. Up the This is Dr. Roslyn. Sister Likita. Sister Likita, you are part of Kerala chapter. Come fast. We have a lot of entertainment waiting now with a delicious food. So Dr. Roslyn Rachel leading the Tamil Nadu with Amita, Shiny and Meera. Yeah. Those are different states. These are their activities. So they are at 681 and they are projecting they will reach 800. Come, let us celebrate their spirit of at least putting any aim all of it. Tamil Nadu Pidichedi. So who all are aware about the President's Nightingale Award? So 3 ANI members have received this year Nightingale Award from the President of India, and Dr. Jyoti Clara took the initiative to specially arrange a program to honor them just I think last week, and we are so grateful to you and your team for conducting it. Thank you so much. You can all have a look at it. Professor Shankar, Miss Minimol, where is she? Manjumol. Acha, she's also taking a break. Chalo. And Miss Kavita, Manjumol is among us. She was our ex-Kerala chapter president. So thank you so much to Dr. J.P. Clara and team. These are some of the, and we all know with her influence, with all the team's influence, they have got for 5 years 10,000 rupees for each award, for 5 awards, 4 awards, 5 awards. That is something 2.5 lakhs and something that is very influential. Thank you so much. Overall impact, acknowledgement. Thank you so much. With this, I will come to the journal reports, and I'll be handing over to our Karmalaji, financial.
Because there are some people we need to recognize. Thank you, Vincy. Yeah, please. Thank you. Any special interest group? Because this is a GB general body meeting. So tomorrow you will see them speaking, but I would like to introduce them. Dr. Shaim. She is the chair for the ANI Special Interest Group Simulation. If somebody is missing from here, then it is a problem. I think they are going Gateway of India and here and there. ANI Special Interest Group, Infection Prevention, Chanda. Chanda. Missing, Warren, Mumbai, Amchimindai. And Pressure Injury Prevention, Miss Biji. So Chanda is from West Bengal. Shine, of course, is from Maharashtra, and then Biji is from Haryana. So you will hear what they did tomorrow. And plus, I would also like to acknowledge, thank you, Shine, acknowledge all the the researchers who had contributed to the research study that was done by ANI Nurse Safety Survey. It will be presented by Dr. Elizabeth Workey. She was one of the, please stand. See, there is a lot of work happening under ANI. So we should know and we should be able to acknowledge. We can do much more. That's a different thing. Okay. So Dr. Elizabeth Workey, Dr. Shampa, I don't know if she's here. Gateway of India. No, missing to Mumbai. So Dr. Shampa, Dr. Shankar, that's it. We had the team. So that team had studied and the research report is ready. But the most important part, I think I really want to share is that it's very important to translate what you learn into action. And that was the report that was released today. and it had a round table. There is lot. We will upload it so you can all download. But I would like to ask all the contributors to stand, because we had very senior people, new Annie members who actually, said we want to be there. So all their photos are there in the white paper. So whoever contributed to white paper, can you please just stand, because tomorrow we may not have. Yeah. Please, Jyoti. Or you forgot that I contributed, I don't know, because there are almost 20 plus people. So the report has all their photos. Why I'm saying is, we try to showcase when a member is contributing, we like to showcase. Please come forward. बुक के अंदर है आप लोग, अभी थोड़ा बाहर आ जाओ. They spend a lot of time to write down the 7 domains quality indicators. It's actually a great piece of work. It has 7 domains, and there are some, I'm getting confused with 2. There are a lot of KPIs. This is about how to ensure nurses' safety, especially psychological safety in your workplace, which is actually, they have put a lot of effort into that. So there are only few of them here. There are more. So when you download, you will see that a lot of work has been done. Idhar. Why you are separating yourself? So please give them a big hand to all of them. So these are all very small initiatives. Why I am again insisting, imagine, even if half of our members decide to do one thing, where can we reach? So again, please think about it. Even if you have an idea, tell, I have this idea. We will help to make it into a proper actionable items. It is possible to be done. So we want you, but don't have just the passion in this room. Huh? When you go back, there is nobody there to give you passion. So we have to give ourselves passion. So that's a humble request again to say that we are doing some good work, but we can do even much better. Thank you, everyone. Thank you so much, and thank you for the opportunity. Aji, yeah.
Thank you, Tangam ma'am, being the soul behind so many activities Annie does. Rather hot. May I call upon Colonel Aji to present the financial report for the year 25 to 26.
Reading your UI. To tell you, we have 2 accounts. One is savings account and the other one is current account. In savings account, as on 31st March 2026, the opening balance was 23,79,365.09 paise, and closing balance as on 1st 4 2026 is 5,34,059 rupees 0.88 paise. The breaking up of how the income came to savings bank account is mainly the membership fee. That is, last financial year we have 81 new members, and the income from membership fee is 8,23,105.20. You must be wondering why that point, the digit there. It is, you are paying 3,000 rupees for any membership fee, but the riser pay charges are minus, and we are getting per member 2,929 rupees 0.20 to the any account. The interest from the amount what is there in bank, it is 35,309. We don't operate savings current account for paying. That is only for income as on now. So all the payments are done from the savings bank account. So there is the only income is from membership. So what we do is that we internally transfer from the current account to the savings bank account. So last financial year, we have transferred 1 crore 18 lakh rupees to the savings bank account. Annual Patient Safety Conference 2025 that was held in Guwahati last year. The registration fee was 20,500.06. We have published a book, Learning Ignited from Errors. And that book royalty, what we received for last year was 20,295 rupees. We have issued, there were 3M, under the 3M we have 2 programs, Nurse Leadership Program and Be Finishing School. So the grant what we received and the programs were organized by this agency BEEP, and the check what was paid to them was returned. So that is also came as the income to it. It is 73,40,519 rupees. Last year, Anicon sponsorship, we had some amount that was come to savings bank account was 1,15,566 rupees. Registration fee for Anicon 2025 was 1,11,235.42. The pre-conference registration fee for the Anicon 2025 was 1,77,447.36. And one check which was one money that was transferred to Dr. Manchi as an EC member for last year travel expense, but it auto refunded, which I am sure that Dr. Manchi may not be knowing that it is auto refunded. So that is 12,000 rupees. So the total deposit to savings bank account is 2 crore 66 lakh 55,977.04. And the expenditure, the total expenditure was 2 crore 85 lakh 1,282.25. The breakdown is 2024 Anicon expense, one expense was left behind, that was paid as 11,608. Anicon 2025, the expenditure paid was 34 lakh 90,909.42. The total expenditure for Anicon 2025 was 74 lakh. So the balance amount was the amount was paid in the last financial year. Okay. Our accounting is done by, the account related activities are done by India Filing Agency, and for the Zoom subscription for both together we paid 44,935.53. The finishing school expenditure was 77 lakh 9,353. Annual Patient Safety Conference expenditure was 3 lakh 22,351 rupees. Contribution by Helmier for enhanced program, that was also a new leadership program sponsored by Helmier, 20 lakh. Every year till last year we were announcing Best Chapter Awards. So that Best Chapter Award consecutively 3 years Tamil Nadu chapter got, and it was 50,000 rupees for the last 2 years. So there were some balance money was left, that was spent, that was given to Tamil Nadu chapter, and that was 22,167 rupees. 3M Nursing Leadership Conclave 50 lakh was paid. GST paid for last financial year was 5,12,454.59. Annie has a virtual address. We don't have a office as on now. It's only virtual office, and that purchase of virtual office we paid 46,984.71. This is for 2 years. This purchase is for 2 years. Advance payment towards Anicon 2026 to Tajland Mumbai is 20 lakh, and the bounce check which was reissued towards finishing school expenditure was 73 lakh 40,519. So the total expenditure was
2 crore 85 lakh 1,282.25. So to summarize, the opening balance was 23 lakh 79,365.09, which is there here. This is the statement. And the income or deposit was 2 crore 66 lakh 55,977.04. That is the deposit here. And the expenditure is both together, this income and the opening balance together, 2 crore 90 lakh 35,342.13. So from this, we have expended 2 crore 85 lakh 1,282.25. This is the withdrawal. And the closing balance in savings account is 5 lakh 34,059 rupees 88 paise, which is balancing with our statement of account the financial year. So this is about the savings bank. Coming to the current account number ends with 245. And the opening balance as on 1st April 25 is 27 lakh 18,554 rupees. Closing balance is 80 lakh 28,170 rupees 93 paise. The income to the current account is this pre-conference 2026 registration fee 2 lakh 72,183. Anicon 2026 registration fee 2 lakh 47,590.30. We have this special interest group training. That was the registration fee is 45,047 rupees. Anicon 2025 sponsorship, what we received last year was 58 lakh 83,130. Finishing school and nursing leadership together, the grant what we received was 1 crore 23. This is from 3M. 1 crore 23 lakh 40,519 rupees. The sponsorship for any patient safety conference 2 lakh 98,000. Patient safety fellowship fee collected from these 12 participants is 65,001. Pre-conference 2025, the conference fee, registration fee was 4 lakh 72,832. Anicon 2025 registration fee was 12 lakh 10,548.63. The various competition registration fee for Anicon 2025 was 14,566 rupees. As a part of pre-conference activity, Kerala chapter conducted a sustainathon along with the decathlon, and that sponsorship what we received was 1 lakh 2,500 rupees. You all know that you all participated in Einstein World Record event, and we have collected some registration fee. So the Annie's whatever they contributed to Annie is the registration fee. From that we got 23 lakh 57,700 rupees. The total income to current account for the last financial year was 2 crore 33 lakh 9,616 rupees 93 paise. And as I said, we do expend only from the savings account. So the current account expenditure was only to transfer the money to the savings bank account. 3 times we have total transferred 1 crore 80 lakh rupees to the savings bank account. That was the expenditure from current account. So to summarize, current account, the opening balance was 27 lakh 18,554. The total deposit was 2 crore 33 lakh 9,616.493. Both together we had total income in the current account was 2 crore 60 lakh 28,170.93, and the expenditure was, the amount transferred to savings account was 1 crore 80. So balance as on 31st March 2026 in current account was 80 lakh 28,170.93. So altogether, what we have in our hand in both the account as on 31st March is 85 lakh 62,230.81 rupees. So this is the statement. The financial report. Thank you, Ajit. That is so well explained. I think looking at the numbers, we might have not so much clarity about so much money. So I request Captain Tangam. अच्छा Captain Ajita को तंगम बोलते हैं. अच्छा come on stage, just say 2 lines, little briefing on the money part.
So all the Annie members, because you all are hearing these kind of statements for the first time, तो कभी ये ना सोचे एनी तो करोड़ों में खेल रहे हैं, बस हम खेल ही रहे हैं, because we are dependent on our donors. So if you see 3M gives grant, we do their program and money gets spent. Helmier gives grant, we do their program and the money gets spent. And believe me, to have an Anicon, before, if we don't have money in our bank, we cannot pay the hotel. They will ask for advance. Whenever we are booking the hotel 4 or 5 months ago, they will ask. So all the money is not coming from registrations or from whatever activities that we are doing. We must understand that it's very important, because you should not go away thinking, oh, करोड़ों वो बड़ा वो लगता है ना कि है, but it's a rolling money and it is being used for good purposes, and through our partners we are able to do various educational activities. And if you come across donors who would like to do something in association with Annie, please feel free. Contact one of the officials and say, I have this contact, they want to do a program. How do we? Then the discussion can happen at a larger level, which is good for all our nurses, because Annie stands for nurses, by nurses, for nurses, to create tomorrow a better place, correct? So we must understand that it's very important. Otherwise, यहाँ से बाहर निकलेंगे तो कुछ भी डायलॉग हो सकता है ना. करोड़ों तो बोल रहे थे और पता नहीं ये भी नहीं किया वो भी नहीं किया, तो ये हो सकता है. Please remember, if I'm staying in Taj, I'm paying for it. Shubhada is staying in Taj, she's paying for it. So we should not, think, okay, any money is being used. It is just that it's our decision to do that. And remember, for at least in the first 3 years, all of us have spent money. I mean, even for, that 10,000 reimbursement was not possible. All the founder members gave 10,000 rupees. And I remember Kamaljeet gave 30,000 rupees. Dr. Usha Banerjee gave 25,000. She gave to agency. So all the founder members did a lot to establish the association. Today, that is not being asked from all the members. So only ask is make more members, join and create literally a movement, so that, as Ajita told, the status of our profession should go up. Lot of us enjoy good status, but that is not good enough. Maximum people should come up and everybody should say, we cannot disregard these nurses. They are there. And that's what Annie is standing for. Any questions? Yes? One conference cost. That will come to around 1 CR. Don't you feel proud when you come to a facility like this and it is your conference, right? It's a valid question. Someone asked me, why do we spend so much money on this conference? So I will not tell the next part. Something else was also asked. So I told ki, ma'am, we go to a doctor's conference and we say, oh, the first Anicon we did in AIG. The sponsors who came, they came and said, ma'am, हमने नहीं सोचा कि आप लोग इतना बड़ा conference करेंगे. Then we went to Hyatt. Then it was like, oh wow, you surpassed. Then in Hotel Feathers. Then we went to the Grand. Then they said, you are surpassing yourself. See, this is not to do anything. It is due for our profession to say that we are capable. Please remember, this is an association by nurses, for nurses. We have no exclusive partners. You should all know this. This is your association. We don't have an exclusive partners, and you should be proud about that. And that's the way Annie was designed, that we will not have anybody else deciding what Annie needs to do. Thank you for asking that. So all the work that you are seeing is teamwork. It is not one individual. It is not. If I say that I dreamt of it 2011, if the founder 14 members didn't fly down to Chennai, the dream would be dream. Dr. Jyoti called one fine day and said that, Tankam, there is an opportunity, we can launch Annie. So quickly I learned 14 people have to come from 14 states. So I got people ki please pay money, land in Chennai, you become founder members. Because I didn't want to be impartial. So you have to know a little bit of history to know the emotion behind the association. Correct? So that's how the founder members are there. Then we started growing. All of you came together. The journey has to be successful and more growing. And we want more young people coming forward. And we can see that young people can do a lot. But ये है, passion सिर्फ बोलना नहीं है, passion to action करना है. करेंगे? इस रूम के अंदर बस बाहर जाके भी करना पड़ेगा, क्योंकि थोड़ी देर में वहाँ भी पैशन दिखा सकते हैं. Thank you.
Thank you so much. That was actually needed. So we are coming almost to the end of the meeting. May I request the general body who has assembled here your approval of our annual report and the financial report. Are you all approving it? Can I have hands up? Thank you so much. Thank you. So we will also focus on 3 activities which will be taken over in the next year. We need your approval that Annie would be investing in technology, PR agency, and also we'll be having a secretariat. Are we approving it? Are we approving it? The gentleman is more approving than all of you. You are any member, sir? Yeah, please put your hands up. Thank you so much. Thank you so much for patiently sitting through the report. Thank you. Tangam, you wanted to sit there?
Finishing school of the people.
Hello, good evening, everyone. I just want to say few lines about the finishing school because I just executed it. It was something which the founder members and the whole EC of Annie have conceptualized. And there is an article about it in the Annie Souvenir. So I've given the full details in that. Full credit to Madam Tangam, Captain Ajita, and the whole EC of Annie, who Dr. Jyoti Clara also, who had actually conceptualized this, that we should have this finishing school to bridge the gap between the students before they come and become job ready. And when I retired, Aji and Ajita, they asked me, can you take it up? And having my own passion for being with students and for teaching, I took it up. And then I must give full credit to Lata Nonis, who was the president of the Karnataka chapter, because she gave me a lot of slides which she already had as the CNO. And so this whole curriculum is for preparing them, hand-holding them so that they are job ready when they come to you who are nursing directors and CNOs. So we had these 3 pilots in Karnataka. The principals who gave me their students were all Annie members, and they came up with open arms, and we did it for 6 full days with OSCE, with hand-holding. And who were the educators? The educators were again Annie members who were working in corporate hospitals, who with so much of patience, Prasanna is here from, she was one of the educators, and there were many others. Abdul took on patient safety, and they taught hand-holding, and they even taught the girls what are the common mistakes you are likely to make when you come to the bedside. So it was an eye opener for all of them. They got a lot of confidence, and all of them have given very good feedback. So we had 3 pilots. Then in Kerala, we had the 4th one, where now for these 3 pilots, we got some money from 3M and we could pay our educators also. But when we got the Kerala one, we did it on a little low budget. Again, that principal was also an Annie member, and we did it for 6 days. And she told me later on that the student said, in our 4 years, this is one of the best things that we had, because we did soft skills also with them, a lot of things. Now, the reason why I'm standing here to say is this opportunity is there. If any of you wants to do it in your colleges or in your hospitals, if you have a batch of 20 or 30, it's my dream that, as Annie dream, can we do it all over? No, North. I have approached people in UP, Bihar, where the thing. Sorry? No, see, fees, we are not interested in making any profit, just to take care. The educators who are coming, we need to pay something to them, correct? And we'll make certificates for them. We'll give certificate to the participants. We'll give certificate for the resource person, Annie certificate. They feel very happy. So that is what is our major expenditure. And I tell the principals who call me, if you can give me one place to stay, 6 days I'll stay there, give me some food, and rest I'll take care and pay these educators. If this much on a low budget, if we can do, because I'm retired, I have the time. And, every morning we play the Annie anthem to them. Every evening, again, it is the Annie anthem. So, merko by heart ho gaya Annie anthem every day. And it's really that passion to action. I was telling Ajita, it gives me a high when I see these young people. So the reason I'm telling you is it's an opportunity. If any of you wants to conduct, and Dr. Rachel approached me the other day, can we do it in Tamil Nadu? So Calcutta, wherever, we will take it up and let us, so that in the next Annie report, we have many more finishing schools done. So I'm open and free to come and help. So I want to share something very interesting, which probably you may not even dream to Madam Tangam do. My students, I have witnessed a few of these finishing school programs, and every day morning starts with Annie anthem. And you should see their eyes glittering. And at the end of the program, they are by heart with Annie anthem. So that youngsters are more enthused, So that Annie anthem has got another plus point. I'll tell you in one sentence. When you feel so depressed, when you feel hopeless, just put on that, close your eyes and listen to it. Just such magic powers.